Before diving into digital signatures, let's quickly recap what we've learned about encryption. Encryption is the process that keeps our data secret, ensuring that only the intended recipient can read the message. But while encryption protects confidentiality, it doesn't answer a crucial question. How do we know who actually sent the message? This is where digital signatures come into play, adding another layer of trust and security to our digital communication. Imagine receiving an email that claims to be from your bank, asking you to transfer money. Even if the message is encrypted, how can you be sure it truly came from your bank and not from an attacker? This dilemma highlights the need for a mechanism that verifies the sender's identity and ensures the message hasn't been tampered with. Digital signatures provide the solution to this problem, offering both authentication and integrity. Digital signatures are a powerful tool in the world of cybersecurity. They provide two essential guarantees: authentication, which proves who sent the message, and integrity, which proves the message was not modified. By combining these two features, digital signatures help us trust the origin and content of digital communications. Let's explore how digital signatures work and why they're so important. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of the sender. With digital signatures, authentication is achieved by using cryptographic keys. When a message is signed with a private key, only the corresponding public key can verify the signature. This ensures that the message truly comes from the claimed sender, preventing impersonation and fraud. Integrity means that the message has not been altered during transmission. Digital signatures guarantee integrity by creating a unique fingerprint of the message, called a hash. If even a single character changes, the hash will be different, alerting the recipient to any modifications. This way, digital signatures ensure that the content remains exactly as the sender intended. Suppose Bob wants to send the message, "Hello." The first step is to generate a hash of the message using a hash algorithm. A hash acts as a unique digital fingerprint for the data, making it easy to detect any changes. Hashing is a fundamental part of creating digital signatures, as it condenses the message into a fixed-length code that represents its contents. After generating the hash, Bob signs it using his private key. This process transforms the hash into a digital signature, which can only be created by someone who owns the private key. The digital signature is then attached to the original message, forming a secure package that can be sent to the recipient. This step is crucial for ensuring both authentication and integrity. Bob sends both the original message and the digital signature to Alice. This allows Alice to verify not only the content of the message, but also its origin. By sending these two components together, Bob ensures that Alice can check for authenticity and integrity upon receipt. This method is widely used in secure communications across the internet. When Alice receives the message and signature, she first generates the hash of the received message. Next, she uses Bob's public key to verify the digital signature and recover the original hash. By comparing the two hashes, Alice can determine if the message was modified and if the signature is valid. This verification process is at the heart of digital signatures. If the two hashes match, Alice knows the message was not modified and that the signature could only have been created using Bob's private key. This gives Alice confidence that the message truly came from Bob and that its contents are intact. Matching hashes are a clear indicator of authenticity and integrity in digital communications. If the hashes don't match, it means either the message was modified or the signature is invalid. This alerts Alice to possible tampering or forgery. Invalid signatures are a warning sign that something is wrong, prompting the recipient to investigate further or reject the message. Digital signatures thus act as a safeguard against unauthorized changes. Digital signatures can be combined with encryption for even greater security. Suppose Alice wants to send a confidential message to Bob. She first signs the message using her private key, ensuring authenticity and integrity. Then, she encrypts the message with Bob's public key, guaranteeing confidentiality. This combination protects both the sender's identity and the message's secrecy. When Bob receives the encrypted message and digital signature, he first decrypts the message using his private key. This step ensures that only Bob can read the contents. Next, he verifies the digital signature using Alice's public key, confirming the sender and the message's integrity. This process demonstrates the power of combining encryption and digital signatures. If the verification succeeds, Bob knows three important things. Only he could read the message was not modified, and the sender was truly Alice. These guarantees make digital signatures and encryption a powerful duo for secure communication. Together, they protect confidentiality, authenticity, and integrity in every exchange. Digital signatures are essential for secure digital communication. They provide authentication and integrity, ensuring that messages come from the claimed sender and remain unchanged. When combined with encryption, they offer comprehensive protection against fraud, tampering, and unauthorized access. Understanding digital signatures empowers us to trust and protect our online interactions.